It is the Bharatiya Janata Party that is now seeking the CBI probe in the murder of BSP's state president. BSP leader was brutally killed in Chennai. With regards to this brutal murder, it is the BJP that is now seeking a CBI probe. K. Armstrong was the Bahujan Samaj Party's state president. He was killed right outside his house in Perambur in Chennai. Bharatiya Janata Party, one of the main opposition parties in the state of Tamil Nadu, now seeking a CBI probe in the murder of this leader. My colleague Shilpa is now joining me on the story. Shilpa, the opposition parties in the states have been putting pressure, and now we are seeing the BJP demanding a CBI probe.
Well, that's it, Aishwarya. In fact, just a short while back, we saw BSP party workers staging a road roko just outside the Rajiv Gandhi General Hospital in Chennai, demanding a CBI probe into the murder of their party chief, the state chief, Armstrong. In fact, they say the real truth will come out only if the CBI investigates this matter, because they say this is a planned political murder that has taken place. And now, echoing the same demand, of course, is the BJP. In fact, BJP leader Amit Malviya has taken to social media saying this case should be investigated by the CBI in order for the truth to come out. In fact, he's also slammed Congress leader and leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi, saying that he was under fire for not speaking up when more than 65 Dalits lost their lives in the Hooch tragedy in Tamil Nadu. And now Rahul Gandhi comes up with a disingenuous comment to record his concern. But how will the Congress leaders being in touch with the government of Tamil Nadu help when it is CM MK Stalin who has failed to maintain law and order? This is the question that Amit Malviya has asked on social media platform. Rahul Gandhi, of course, had earlier taken to social media platform saying that he's asked the Tamil Nadu Congress leaders to be in touch with the family members of Armstrong and provide them all necessary help and give them support in this tragic time, and also saying that he hopes the state government takes proper action against the culprits. Now, what is interesting is that several political party leaders, including the BSP workers, the BCK chief Tol Tirumavalavan and Tamil Nadu Congress chief K. Selvaperanthai, all of them have been interestingly saying that the 8 persons who have been arrested so far in connection with this murder, they say these are not the real culprits. The real culprits have not been brought to book. They've not been arrested yet. The investigation needs to bring out the truth, is what all these leaders have been saying. At around 2 p.m., the Chennai Police Commissioner, along with the top officials of the Chennai Police who have been part of the investigation team, will hold a press conference.
Right, Shilpa, my colleague who's standing right outside the hospital where the mortal remains of the Bahujan Samaj Party state chief are kept at the moment. Brutal murder of the Bahujan Samaj Party Tamil Nadu chief has also led to a big political showdown in the state of Tamil Nadu. Now, Bahujan Samaj Party workers are protesting against the brutal murder of the state's chief. They have clashed with the police force. Workers are now demanding that there should be a CBI probe in this matter. They are claiming the real culprits are still at large. They have also urged the chief minister of the state, MK Stalin, to suspend the top intelligence officials. The BJP and the AIADMK are condemning the incident, and they are extending support to the bereaved family. They slammed MK Stalin for doing nothing to keep a check on crime in the state, and they are also alleging that the law and order situation has only deteriorated under the Stalin government. Stalin has assured there will be very strict action that will be taken against the people involved in crime. He also asked people to trust the probe agencies. BSP Supremo Mayawati has condoled the death of the party leader. She is all set to visit Chennai tomorrow. She has also urged MK Stalin-led government to take very strict action against everyone involved in this gruesome murder.
The post-mortem of Armstrong, the BSP state chief, has been completed, is what we are being told, and arrangements are being made here at the Rajiv Gandhi General Hospital to take his body from the hospital. In all likelihood, it could be taken to the party office, or other alternative arrangements are also being looked at by the Chennai police, is what we are being told. But as far as the demands from the BSP is concerned, they demand that a CBI probe be ordered into the murder, because they believe it is a planned political murder, a deliberate murder that was hatched. There was a conspiracy, and the truth can be brought out only by the CBI, is what they say. And apart from that, they also demand the resignation or the suspension, I beg your pardon, of the ADGP intelligence, because they say this is nothing but an intelligence failure. This murder could have been prevented if there was enough if the intelligence department had acted on time, is what the BSP has been saying. And apart from that, they say the 8 accused who've been arrested so far, they say, or they allege, that these are not the real suspects. The real culprits are still at large and they need to be brought to book. So these are some of the demands, and for a long time, at least for over an hour, they staged a road roko just outside the hospital, and all of them were detained by the police because they apprehended that the situation could get out of control, and for that reason all the protesters were removed forcefully by the police. They were detained.
If this is not an example of worsening law and order in Tamil Nadu, I don't know what is the other example that people can quote. And it also shows the complete pathetic display that the current Chief Minister is doing across Tamil Nadu. Where it is happening in capital city, it is being noticed. Same thing is happening in Tirunelveli. It is happening in Coimbatore, happening in Madurai. All cities are becoming places where people want to settle, more so in the capital city. And they have failed in the law and order. It's very clear because CM has lost control of the administration here. It doesn't have any grip on policing, especially since in Tamil Nadu he also happens to be the Home Minister. And this has happened just a week back. One of our senior BJP leaders' husband also got hacked. Now, Kallakurichi, 65 people died. Yesterday in Thiruvannamalur, again, illegal huge tragedy, 1 person died. So daily it is becoming like just another news. Now, CM has lost complete control, complete grip on the administration. And law and order is in shambles. It is pathetic. If I can use a strong word, I can say it is only pathetic. Nobody has got the fear of police. Everybody are roaming.
Mr. Stalin, is this Dravida model? This is what you mean by Dravida model? Where is the police? Where is the administration? It's complete failure of the administration in Tamil Nadu. If you are not able to control this, Mr. Stalin, with your iron arm, please tender a resignation letter with your iron arm. That the Tamil Nadu will be grateful to you.
I strongly condemn this incident. As a national party state president, he is unable to survive because of the law and order situation in Tamil Nadu. The DMK government is totally failure to maintain the law and order situation. Because today the Armstrong is died, the Gundas are hacked to death him, and 10 days before, 65, almost 70 people died because of the illicit arak. So where is going, what they are doing? Even Tamil Nadu Chief Minister is controlling his police department and Home Ministry is with him. He is unable to control the police, or he is unable to control the law and order situation. This is very strongly condemned.